afternoon, good evening, or whatever time that you're watching this video. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, my name is Bird. Sorry for the mess. I am an entertainer, I am an entrepreneur, and right now I'm a reviewer. We have been looking at Peace Be Still on Vimeo. The link is down in the description box for seasons 1, 2, and 3. We're on season 2 right now. I'm not even going to spend too much time talking because I'm that tired. But I am going to give you these disclaimers. We are going to have spoilers, fussing, cussing, sipping, smoke. Go ahead and click the subscribe button so you can get the latest drops when I drop my content, when I drop my news.
You wanted to see me.
You ain't doing no work with your foot up on the desk like that. Get your feet.
Tatiana wanted me to send you her goodbyes.
Oh no. Why would you?
And no, cut the bullshit, Abby. You wanted me to sign this. Well, your wish has been granted.
You are so fucking childish.
There's something I need to tell you.
Oh, that's gonna have to wait.
Oh, Lord.
The fuck? Because what I have to say is much more important. Oh, don't be shamed now.
I'm gonna sell you my half of still publications, so that way we can take it over together.
How hard he's gonna play you. You won't even know what to do. Cause I don't trust this Duncan dude.
What the hell you want? What I've always wanted, Pastor. I need for you to do your part to make sure we get this new community center. And other incentives now that I have this. Meet me at the church.
This dude came in the room suited. How you get in? Have you stay up to something? Yeah. Ah! The slow creep behind. Uh-oh.
Where the hell did you get this?
She's the chick that used to work here. They found that in the studio, right? Rumor has a YouTube. I had a thing.
You see, rule number 1, don't listen to rumors. They'll get you killed.
Why would you say that?
Duncan and I are joining forces. We are collectively going to buy still publications at a very, very low price. You know, some might even call it a steal.
You two had sex right before you signed this, right? You didn't see the small print right here where you signed over your half of the company to Leitz Enterprises. See, Leitz Enterprises is my auxiliary company.
Duncan!
Oh yeah, you didn't know.
Oh,
See, Duncan, he works for me.
oh wow.
He's doing exactly what I told him to do. It's still spelled backwards.
Oh wow.
So you did all
To
this?
get you out? Hell yeah. You see, just in case you forgot, I am God.
Oh.
I know all and I see y'all.
Oh Lord.
Everything and everyone will move how I see fit.
About time you got your ass in here.
Ooh.
I was actually thinking of a way of how I could disseminate this video to the public. I dangled the bait right in front of you by getting Felicia to seduce you. And you were just horny enough to take it. Trust me, it'll all work out.
Ooh. Well,
got the devil in you, boy.
Ah!
Shut up! You got the devil in you, boy! Shut up!
So, how's the search coming? Find any leads in your undercover investigation, detective?
I knew it!
Yeah, see, the one thing you can't do with me is play dumb. See, I can smell bullshit about a mile away, honey. You, sir, you stinking up the joint.
And I'm going to ask you one more time. What do you want?
Hester. I'll keep you posted. Till then, your secret's safe with me.
I know everything.
You do? What's
Everything meaning
I know about the money.
Brittany.
No one ever really noticed when I was around, so it was easy to get the information.
Ooh! Well, I told him to close the door.
And I heard you on the phone talking about your debts and using company funds to pay for them.
And so, what are you planning to do with this information?
I want to help you.
I want to fuck.
Let me help you, Asher.
Let me fuck. Oh, Lord. Who is this? Who is this?
I thought after your daddy died, I'd be done fixing shit for this family.
It must be Uncle Charles.
Especially for my favorite cousin.
Somebody lying.
Wait. You and your...
Yeah, Tia was adopted.
Look, y'all want this or not?
Here it is.
Yep. We ain't got nothing. Yep. Get me. Tear it. Get me. Woo! Woo! Get it together, Naomi. What you gonna do, Naomi? What you gonna do, Nene?
This is what you've been doing?
All day.
Abby, I need to talk to you.
I don't have time for this.
I have something to tell you.
Whatever it is, I don't want to hear it, okay?
No.
I got way too much shit going on right now to deal with even more of your bullshit.
Talk to him, please.
Abby, please, I really need to talk to you.
No, Trevor, I'm done with this. Now get your shit and get out of my house. And out of my life.
Oh. You just come home and break up.
I killed her.
What did you say?
I killed her.
Kill who?
I killed Chloe St. Clair.
Why? Why? That's so fucking random. Why? Well, we in it. So we're gonna have to get this episode 4. But I thank you for tuning in and watching it with me. Hit that subscribe button to get the latest content when I do these drops. I'll see you next time. Go ahead and check out my previous reviews from the previous episodes. Go ahead and check out my reviews from Bondage Season 3. So, back into the prey.